Hey guys, it's Amir from BikeLikeAPro.com, and in today's video I wanted to share with you the effects that most of the carb sources that we as cyclists use, such as pastas or rice, actually have. What is the impact that these types of food have on our cycling performance? Let's check it out. Okay guys, so one thing that I wanted to mention today is a certain substance that is found in most grains. So because a lot of us still believe that the best way to fuel our workouts, our rides and races is through the use of all kinds of different wheat based products or foods, such as pastas or bagels or sometimes pizzas or even rice. I wanted to mention a certain substance called the phytic acid that is basically found in all of these grains, and I wanted to kind of get your attention to what this actually does in our body and how it affects our performance. So phytic acid is a substance that has a very high affinity toward tying minerals, right? So minerals such as iron, zinc, calcium, and magnesium, which are one of the main minerals and one of the most important ones when it comes to endurance performance. So let's mention calcium, magnesium, and iron. So basically, the more of these grains that we eat, the more phytic acid we will have in our body. Therefore, that will tie to all of these minerals and prevent the absorption of them, which means all of these highly useful and valuable minerals in our body that we get hopefully through healthy foods such as fresh organic veggies and fruits, all of these will not be able to, your body will not be able to use them when you have phytic acid. So iron, as you know, is directly related to the red blood cells count in our blood. So the more iron you have that is bioavailable or available to your body, the more blood, the higher quality of your blood will be. Therefore, the more oxygen will come to your working muscles, directly meaning you will be faster. And the opposite is also true. The less of this you have, right, the less iron, your cycling performance goes down. Another thing here, calcium, magnesium, as you know, not only that they have a lot of other very valuable functions when it comes to optimizing health, but if we stick to general cycling endurance, you will know that all of these, or both of these, are needed in order for have the regular and optimal mineral balance. And if we don't have that, then we have muscle cramps, right? So not only that we will experience higher chance of being having muscle cramps during our racing, and not only in racing but in regular rides as well, but our red blood cell count is also going to go down, so we will literally be slower and our performance is going to go down the more of these we have, right? The more of this substance or phytic acid we have. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to just mention that going gluten-free, which is basically eliminating all of these grains from our diet most of the time, not 100% of the time. If you can, that 100% of the time is probably better, but that can have also, it can be pretty stressful and hard to manage your carb intake other way. But in another video, I'm going to share with you what I think in general about gluten and gluten-free living. But in this episode, I just wanted to share with you that there is something that is very, very negative or a drawback that comes from eating a lot of pasta. So my suggestion for now would be anything that is wheat, right, we will basically eliminate. So that's what it's about in today's episode. Watch for the next one where I'll share more about gluten-free living and what to actually use in order to get the best carb sources to improve our cycling performance. Ride strong and see you next time.